victories. That's the focus of CH Talk Live today. And host Bill Kelly, I remember where we were in '72.
That's right, Con. Well, you know, you and I were at Mohawk College watching the game downstairs in the TV studio, and I guess most everybody else could say, I know who I was with and what we were doing back in '72. But what about the perspective? What about that first Blue Jay? Now, I know those were all Americans, but it was a Canadian team winning the World Series, and boy, we were walking proud then, too, in '92. Where does what happened yesterday rank as far as some of the best sporting moments? Is this Canada's finest sports moment? Maybe you've got some ideas. Maybe you think it was. I'd like to get your suggestions, your ideas, 12:30 this afternoon on CH Talk Live. Connie, back to you.
Geez, Bill, 1972. The mild winter has given us another reason to be happy Canadians today. You can start serving up those flapjacks because it's maple syrup season. It's come early this year due to the unseasonably warm winter we've been experiencing. Some operators say this is the earliest start they've seen in 40 years. Usually the season begins in mid-March, but this year's weather has the sap flowing a few weeks early. Well, the weather was certainly golden over the weekend, and today we should see a repeat performance, but don't expect it to last. Time now to check in with Matt Hayes for his first look at the forecast, along with a few friends.
Well, they're not here yet.
Okay, they're napping, right?
Yeah, they are.
It's nap time.
Actually, I was just listening to you and Bill reminisce about the ¡72 series.
Yeah?
Now, you and Bill were at Mohawk College. I believe I was in grade 3.
Okay, that's enough of that one. Getting a little worn out when you say that.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Anyway, we are looking at blue skies. Look at that. Look at that blue sky. Okay, well, we had to paint it on because we're inside. We're at Petcetera today. And, you know, lots of moms and dads go off to work every day and leave their pets at home. What's a dog to do? Well, we'll tell you all about doggy daycare. And we'll tell you that this weather will not last, as you mentioned, Connie. Bask in the glory of the big gold medal victory and the sunshine today because